Your body makes decisions for you before you even think. Most of what you feel every day, hunger, tiredness, stress, laziness, is not random. It's your body running old survival programs in a modern world. And once you understand this, you start controlling your life instead of your body controlling you. First secret, you're not always hungry. You're bored. Your brain loves stimulation. When you're bored, stressed, or scrolling on your phone, your brain looks for quick dopamine. Food is the easiest source. That's why you feel hungry, even right after eating. Next time you want snacks, ask yourself, am I hungry or just bored? Drink water. Move for 2 minutes. If the hunger disappears, it was never real. Second secret, your body hates saving energy. Your body is designed for survival, not six-pack abs. Thousands of years ago, humans had to save energy to stay alive. So your brain still tries to stop you from moving too much. That's why you feel lazy before workouts. You want to sit instead of walk. Exercise feels hard at first. It's not weakness. It's your survival system saying, let's not waste energy. But here's the truth. Once you start moving, your body switches modes and actually gives you more energy. Action creates energy. Waiting creates laziness. Third secret, bad sleep controls your hunger. If you sleep less than 6 hours, something crazy happens. Your body increases the hormone that makes you hungry and decreases the hormone that makes you feel full. So the next day, you eat more without even realizing why. You think you lack discipline, but it's just hormones. Good sleep is a fat loss tool. Fourth secret, stress makes your body store fat. Your brain can't tell the difference between running from danger and worrying about bills, school, or life. Both release stress hormones. When stress stays high, your body stores more fat, especially around the belly, because it thinks you're in danger. That's why breathing, walking, sunlight, and breaks are not luxuries. They tell your body, we're safe. And a safe body burns fat easier.